Mabuhay, Pilipinas! Ako si Ichi, isa sa mga e-scholar at nagmula sa Rainbow Community. At ngayon, samahan niyo ako sa isang discussion na kung saan pag-uusapan natin ang isang paksa na tunay na nagmamarka sa ating bansa. Ito ang HIV cases at sino ba ang tumutulong sa atin para mapuksa ito o kumbaga magkaroon tayo ng awareness. Mga Mars, let's get straight to the point. Ano nga ba ang goal natin sa chikahan na ito? This ACSMP is not just about testing, it's about transforming lives. Today, we aim to educate each and everyone that we need to boost HIV testing, especially to our mga sisters sa LGBTQIA+ community, like the MSM and trans women, because knowing your status is power. We also need to normalize testing and treatment like part of our self-care. Kasi, ika nga, kung meron tayong skincare routine, dapat meron din tayong health routine, di ba? And also, we need to make PrEP, PEP, condoms more accessible and the using of lube. It's because it's just like having an accessibility of enjoying our favorite milk tea o di kaya yung lagi natin pagkakape-kape kung saan-saan. And of course, we need to support the PLHIV angels. Why? It's because we need to know the holistic care, mental health, peer support dahil walang iwanan sa ating laban. Okay class, rewind muna tayo ng very slight and let's look at the bigger picture. HIV is not just a health issue, it is a human rights issue. That's why Love Yourself Inc. was born in 2011. It is out of love, advocacy, and the giggle to serve. From one small hub in Mandaluyong, boom! Now they almost have 20 plus clinics and centers nationwide. Sa gitna ng tumataas na HIV cases, lalo na sa kabataang MSM, Love Yourself serves as the safe space for one another. Ika nga, datambayan and the kakampi ng community. Because in a society na puro na lang stigma, Love Yourself says, best, you are valid. You are loved. Get tested. Love Yourself is just not a program. It's a movement. It is powered by volunteers na may puso, led by fierce advocate like its founder, Ronivin Pagtakhan. And the model of the organization? Community-based, peer-led, at very inclusive community. Like a drug house that offers testing treatment, PrEP, mental health services, and even hormone therapy was part of the Trans Sisters services na ino-offer ng Love Yourself. And yes, may funding diversity tayo. From the global funders that we have to corporate allies to like events katulad ng Cherry Poppin na may pa-perform pa, pa-fundraising, may pa-empowerment pa. And that's how the organizational framework and program model of Love Yourself works for us in the Rainbow community. And now, this is where the magic happens. Test Manila shook the nation with the sex-positive, witty, and relatable campaign. Naalala niyo ba yung Suck, Fuck, Test, Repeat? It's iconic, ha? Very catchy. Preppy, introduce PrEP with glam and info power. Education plus access equals empowerment. Or how about Victoria by Love Yourself? It gives our trans sister a loving, gender-affirming space. Truly representation with compassion. At di lang physical health ang priority natin. Mental health din. With programs like Flourish Circle. They said, mental health is valid, girl. Now, let's talk about strategy, but make it a little ganda with impact. Love Yourself slays the social media game with its witty posts, real stories, and mga pasabog na campaigns. They even use influencers, drag queens, and beauty queens to destigmatize. Hello, Queen P and Catriona. And the most importantly, real stories from real people. Kasi walang mas malakas na boses sa mga tao mismo na nakaranas nito. From online to on-ground, mobilize to maximize, volunteers are the queen pillar of this movement. They were trained, trusted, and tenacious. They were partnered with schools and companies wherein HIV 101 plus the SOGI rights workshops were conducted. Kasi di lang naman dapat sa bar or online ng awareness. Dapat pinag-uusapan din sa boardroom. Pinupukpok. Oh, at this juncture, as a doctorate student, I must say, research is life. Mga ACAT queens at mga gustong maging queen sa pag-aaral. Listen. Quantitative? Check. Stats on testing, ART uptake, viral suppressions are all backed up with the DOH and WHO data. Qualitative? Check din. Gamit ang FGDs or focus group discussions, testimonial collection at community echo feedback, nagkakaroon tayo ng cohesive findings. Digital? Of course. Check na check. All of this digital data were coming from using of maximization of chatbots, social media metrics, and the engagement of tracking. Dahil sa digital age, dapat data-driven tayo. At dapat gigil na gigil tayo sa pagkuha ng information for us to find solutions. Evaluation. Measure to treasure. Analyze to energize. Tools used. Comprehensive reporting dashboards and stakeholders, FGDs. How about sources? It is from DOH, UNAIDS, Global Fund, and even internal love letters from the clients. SWOT. Let's analyze. Strength. Nagpapalakas. Peer trust. Fierce volunteerism. It is the basis and also the sassy yet safe space clinics that we provide. Weakness. Medyo karupukan. Funding dependence. Legal limits. Hello, RH law. Gaps. Galaw-galaw. Opportunities, more partnerships, regional scaling, and hybrid services. Kadami nun, saan ay makuha. And threats. Budget cuts, political climate, and of course, stigma forever. Charot lang, but true. Now for recommendation, Prof Mode activated. Let's talk about solutions with glow up energy. First, we need to build a real-time data system para mas mabilis ang magiging desisyon natin, mga bes. Kasi parang wala naman talaga yung sistema. Second, we need to listen sa feedback ng mga Gen Z. Mighty sila. Meron silang say. So let's listen to them. We need to increase their youth participatory to the M&E procedures. Third, we need to align with the global framework like PEP, FAIR, and UNAIDS. We stay on point on the global relevance. We need to push for local innovations to slay. Ay, bakit parang as a doctor in sustainability na gender advocate, bigla akong kinabahan. In conclusion, mga best, Love Yourself Inc. is not just a campaign. It is a movement of love, healing, and fierce resistance. In the face of stigma, discrimination, and silence, it amplifies the voice of the marginalized rainbow community. It is a proof that the advocacy can be bold, informed, and inclusive. And yes, fabulous. Because at the end of the day, HIV advocacy is not just about health. It's about dignity, equity, and love. At kung may love yourself sa bawat komunidad, walang maiiwan, walang mahuhuli. Lahat tayo kasama. Ang huli, mabuhay. Please see these references for this presentation. I hope this satire and exploratory approach on today's FMA helps you to understand further kung ano yung mga pinaglalaban namin. At ako, bilang isang doctor and sustainability student that taking up communication, I am willing to reach out different kind of people from the rainbow community. Ipapaunawa ko sa inyo na mahalaga, alagaan ng sarili dahil tayo ay bahagi ng komunidad at ng mahal nating bansa. Ako muli si Ichi mula sa UPOU. Bye-bye!